This is a video about how to add the Promethean Screen Share software to your new Dell laptop. So the first thing you're going to do is go to this address right here, share.1.prometheanworld.com. Once you're there, you'll see a screen that looks like this, and you're going to choose this right here. Download Screen Share. This is the for Windows. Okay, it's the top one. So go ahead and click on that. And you can see in the lower left-hand corner, it downloaded the install software. And once it's downloaded, you go ahead and just click on it. It'll start the install. Okay, you accept the user agreement, begin the install. Okay, and then if you want a desktop icon, leave that checked. I'm going to uncheck this one and hit done. Now if I go to my desktop, here it is. Okay, so that's how you install the Promethean Screen Share software on your new Dell laptop.